What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Naturally Xandra. Today we're going to get into another video. You already know the deal. It's another natural hair product review, and this one is requested by several different people. So without further ado, let's get into the review. So today's review is going to be the Shea Moisture Silicone Free Miracle Styler Leave-In Treatment. You guys have probably seen this. This leave-in, from my experience, was pretty good at hydrating my hair. However, it did not do well with other products as much as I would have liked. For example, if you pair it with a conditioner, a styling cream, something like that, because some people do use deep conditioners as the cream in the lock method. If you use it, it may or may not work with other products. So I'm going to spray it. I'm going to do a demo of this product. I'm going to spray this on here. Okay, they still didn't fix that. So you see how it squirts out in a stream? See, it doesn't squirt out like as a spritz, which is not really ideal when you're using leave-ins, because you have to kind of distribute it like this, like praying hands, like really run through to soothe the cuticle. That's what I have to do when I apply this. I actually gave this product, I believe, to my mom. When I bought it, it worked well for my hair, but like I said, I use different products. It smells so good. I use different products. So if it doesn't pair well, if a product I buy doesn't pair well with other products, I mostly return it, especially a leave-in, because the leave-in has to pair well with my other products. And I keep spraying it up there. See the problem with this? You can also spray it on your hand and do like that, which I probably would recommend. So I spray it on my hand, rub that in. So now it's re-moisturized again. I'm gonna do a close-up so you guys can see. Look how much definition I have from that spritz. It's amazing what definition, you guys. Okay, do a little swirly swirl. Okay, see how that's curling up more? So you need, if you want a more curl, I would say use more product. This side naturally hangs lower. I don't know why, but it hangs lower when I put any product on it. Hope you guys enjoyed this review video. If you want to see any other products reviewed, make sure you comment down below. And stay tuned for my next video, because you already know your girl is putting out reviews, demos, all of that. So yeah, subscribe to my channel for more of those type videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.